Lessons in economics and financial management for a post-pandemic world. The past few weeks have seen massive changes in response mechanisms deployed by various countries around the world as they try to grapple and deal with the challenge of the pandemic. As we all are aware, social distancing has proven to be the most effective preventive measure that we know of right now. For many countries that missed the window of opportunity to impose social distancing, the effect of late action has been disastrous. It is probably only matched by the economic impact. There has been loss of livelihoods, businesses grinding to a halt, a slowdown of the cash flow, and a capital crunch that has resulted in belt-tightening measures by several companies. These measures have resulted in job losses, with millions of people filing for unemployment, a massive burden on the federal or national budget as the government step in to rightfully support the economically impacted families and businesses. While all of these may sound grim, let us also remember that crisis may also result in the emergence of new, adaptive and resilient measures across the social, economical and financial landscapes. Many companies and entrepreneurs are now silently but doggedly working away at innovating for a post-pandemic world to ensure that we are better prepared for such outbreaks in the future. There has to be a rethink of the supply chain management and a focus on locally grown, accessible means of resources that are more healthy, less prone for global disruptions, and eventually more beneficial for the environment. From a healthcare perspective, there is growing awareness of the imperative need for healthier lifestyles. Prevention is far better than cure. The economic impact of a health crisis had not been understood to this extent till now. From a personal financial perspective, the younger generation will be far more aware of the need to save and learn effective financial management. The millennial generation was often touted to be financially less secure and aware. This outlook would also change as many are now impacted significantly due to the economic fallout. Loss of jobs are drastic outcomes, but provide a crucial opportunity to reskill, reevaluate, and strategize one's professional growth in a post-pandemic world. The need to learn, to have a healthy attitude for learning, is an extremely valuable asset. The national, international, and personal impacts of the pandemic can be unnerving for the moment. But let us remember that if we can be mindful and use this crisis as an opportunity to adapt our skills, our businesses, and our world vision, we would have turned this to our advantage. Let us not waste a crisis. As I sign off for the day, let us think about how we can reinvent our financial and professional strategies for a post-pandemic world. As we conquer the pandemic battle, can we also conquer ourselves? Stay in, stay safe.